This VDM is having different category, three category. VDM is having three category, and with the help of category, we are modularizing our CDS, and that's where this modularization is going to be effective. For example, in your home, if we are going to put into the kitchen, our home life will not be effective, right? Whenever we have to shave, we'll have to look into the shaving cream and all, and everything is there in the kitchen, we will not be able to find out easily. So if everything is there at the proper place, right, the kitchen related things should be there in the kitchen, all home usable things should be there in the separate room. uh, there is a bedroom where we sleep, right? So everything is separated in a house so that we are able to use the things effectively. Here also the same things. Okay, so if we are going to categorize these things and if we are going to use it effectively, okay, if we're going to categorize it and if we're going to use it effectively, the benefit is that the maintenance and performance will improve because things are not hodgepodge. Okay, for database, it will be easy for them to manage and to access fast. Okay, that's why the categorization plays very uh, important role. The only thing is that how we are going to decide the categorization, like the CDS which we have created. So the VDM is nothing but CDS only. Okay, the VDM is nothing but CDS only. We are just going to give some annotation and that CDS is going to become the VDM. That's it. Okay, so in the CDS, what kind of table has been used based upon the nature of the table, based upon the nature of the data, what kind of query, like if you are using the existing CDS, right? All these things comes as a criteria when you are going to define the name of, when you are going to categorize the VDM, okay? When you are going to categorize the VDM, right? So there are three types of VDM: private, interface, and consumption. There are three types of VDM. And the naming convention is very important. Whenever you are going to create the CDS, VDM is nothing but CDS only, right? So whenever you are going to create the CDS, the name of the CDS should be started with P underscore, okay? P underscore. So if it is the standard CDS, it's going to be started with P underscore. If it is the custom one, like if we are developing, then it should be started with ZP underscore or YP underscore. Okay, ZP underscore or YP underscore, as we do. Just we'll have to use P underscore. Private. Interface I underscore interface. For consumption, C underscore. So name should be started. The name of the CDS should be started with I underscore and C underscore. Now, if you have the private CDS, this is the annotation you will have to use at the rate of VDM dot private colon true. At the rate VDM dot private colon true. So where you will write this annotation? You will write this annotation at top. Okay, here you will write in beginning, you are going to write that annotation, and that CDS is going to become the private VDM. Okay, that CDS is going to become your private VDM. Okay. Now this interface is also having two types. One is the basic and another is the composite. This interface VDM is again divided into two parts, basic and composite. For basic, this is what you have, the annotation @vdm dot view type colon basic, and for the composite @vdm dot view type colon cube, hash cube. Okay, hash cube. This composite VDM, this composite CDS, okay, composite CDS or composite VDM, VDM CDS, everything is same. Okay, composite CDS is a representation of transient provider. What is this transient provider? This transient provider is a term of BI or B4, BI or BW analytics, S4 analytics. This is a term for S4 analytics. So if you have large amount of data to be analyzed, you can create a composite CDS, and that CDS gets converted into the transient provider, and with the help of this transient provider, you know, you can analyze the data. So these all comes under this transient provider, comes under the S4 embedded analytics. You don't require any BI or BW system. We have discussed that we don't require BI or BW system extra if you have S4 HANA installed in your organization. And that's where you are going to save lot of cost for your company, right? That's where S4 HANA is helpful for saving lot of cost, saving lot of maintenance, right? If you have the different system, maintenance is also going to be high, right, and difficult. But with S4 HANA, this struggle went down because of the column storage, right? Because of the column storage, S4 HANA is so powerful to manage the OLAP, right? OLAP is nothing but analytics. OLAP is nothing but analytics. So the analytics which we use in S4 HANA is generally embedded in S4, and most of the work it's going to do over there. So see, this CDS is helpful in achieving the analytics as well, right? Composite view, composite view, and consumption view also will be helping to achieving the analytics. There is some difference. Okay, there is some difference. The transaction which you are going to use for the composite view, that is a different one, and for the consumption view analytics, that is the different one. We will discuss in the next slide. It is there. Okay, so what you understood, let's summarize it. VDM is divided into three categories: private, interface, and consumption. Interface has been again divided into basic and composite. Consumption is not having any further division, and private is not also having any further division. Only interface view is having the further division. For basic view, this is the annotation, and for composite view, this is the annotation. For consumption view, this is the annotation @vdm.view type consumption. Okay, and @ of analytics.query. These are the two annotation for the consumption view which is required. For the composite view, this is one minimum criteria for the composite view. I think there is one more annotation is there. We'll see in the next slides. Okay, one more for the composite view there is. But if you want to just make a transient provider, only this annotation is sufficient. Okay. If you want to make a composite view, if you want to make a composite view, you know, only this annotation at the rate vdm dot view type colon cube, right? Cube. The term cube belongs to BA or BW. Info provider, info cube. Okay.